Installing roller blinds reveal fit. In this video, we will explain the roller blind reveal fit installation process step by step. Start by opening the box. Carefully cut the tape along the edge of the box to avoid damaging the blinds. Once you have all the parts and your tools ready, it's time to get started. Install the brackets using the provided screws. Match the corresponding bracket to either end of the blind. You will see the matching shape of each bracket on either side of the blind. Then lock the blind into place by dropping the pin within the spring bracket. If you have chained roller blinds, screw on the chain guide for child safety. Install the guide with slight tension in the chain, clearing the blind to avoid obstruction. For child safety, place the cord holders at least 1.6 metres above the ground. And you're done! Your beautiful blind is ready for you!